some really exciting news. Let me show you. Well, you know, let me give you a hint. We just got invited to the Tesla. It's beginning to look, bro, right now, you look festive. You're wearing all green next to a red car. Do you celebrate Christmas?
Of course.
I don't know. Maybe you're like Jewish.
What? You know I'm white.
Bro, I'm just trying to be like PC, culturally like...
Culturally like what?
Like diverse, like I'm trying to be culturally like, you know, open. I don't know what you identify as. We live in a time now where like guys can be giraffes, girls can be boys. I mean,
giraffes.
Yeah,
you say a giraffe.
Yeah, dude, don't you know?
You said an animal that is approximately 10 feet high. Humans can be that animal.
Did you not know that we live in a time now that people can identify as anything they want? Did you know?
I'm aware of that, but I think you're taking it to another level.
Transgender man identifies as a dog and says chasing sticks and playing on all fours has brought him closer to his husband.
You know why, right? He's a dog because he found out real life was hard and he was like, damn, dogs must have it nice.
I think he's identifying as a dog because he realized life's rough. No? No? You get it though, right? Like rough, like... Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. I am Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. This is Sean. We are wrapping a Model 3. Yo guys, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew.
You said EDM vlog.
No, I did not.
You did.
EVS vlog. You so stupid. Why would I say EDM vlog? Unless this is an EDM vlog. Let's get the day started. Yo, it's looking really good, guys. The car is almost all red. Only that's left was just the front bumper and like the rear bumper over there. We got some Tesla wheels refinished. I came back, so I'm gonna look at them, make sure everything looks good. So as you guys know, these wheels are the stock Tesla wheels. They normally are silver. We got these powder coated satin black with the client, so it's nice and sporty. Boom, satin black on a white Model 3. All it needs next is a chrome delete, and this thing will look super sporty. This thing is probably the smartest invention ever. Let's see how much I picked up. Oh, dude, look at how much I picked up. That looks kind of scary, I'm not gonna front. What?
You missed one.
So I like the color, guys, but there's something that's a little off, I feel. Let me show you what I mean. Red looks great, right? Sick, awesome. But do you notice how the red with the wheels and the chrome delete just looks a little, maybe mismatched, I would say? The red is cool. The red's a nice color. It could be either sporty or classy. The chrome is obviously classy, right? But the wheels are super sporty. Before with the black color, it was okay because the black is kind of classy or sporty, so it worked with the wheels. But now that the red is in play, it doesn't really work that well, right? You guys see what I'm saying? It's so dark and everything else is really light and the interior is white as well. So there's two things that we can do to really make it look really good. One is either we do a chrome delete and get rid of all the chrome you guys see here, wrap it satin black, matte black, gloss black, something like that. Or if we don't do that, then we have to change the wheels because as you guys can see, we would have to do a lighter color, right? That way we can work with the chrome. If we change one of those two things, we should have a much more congruent style, whether it's a sportier Model 3 or a classy Model 3.
It's a four-seater though. Oh, yeah. That's why it looks like that.
It's a Portofino.
Oh.
It's the new Portofino.
So it's basically like a Portofino coupe with a much better interior. Okay, now I'm starting to like it.
Watch, it has a Tesla
Now it's a
engine.
family car.
Tesla engine.
Okay, now this car makes sense to me, why it kind of looks. So it's going to be that subtle family Ferrari, that subtle looks, you know? It's not going to be overly
Cram the
aggressive.
kids in the back seat.
But do you like this more or the Portofino design?
I like the Portofino.
I think the Portofino design looks more aggressive. This car is super clean, which is very unlike. I don't know, too clean, right?
It looks like it has that 488 GT3 front end.
Oh yeah,
like the way it just lanes over and looks.
Yeah, that front end does not look like a Ferrari.
It doesn't. It looks like a Aston Martin Jaguar.
That makes you wonder.
Overhanging nose.
That makes you wonder, is Ferrari changing their design language?
Oh my god, how's Dustin gonna like Clearbra on that grill? Look at all the grates in there. S8. Oh, F8 Tribute.
F8, yeah.
Hey, what's up, Steven? Guess who just joined us? This is Prince from Wong at Prince Customs. He does all of our really cool custom stuff. You've seen on the Search and Destroy F250 the custom 4-play wheel rack. Or Search and Destroy H1s, he builds little custom parts for us. If you need any custom parts, this is the guy to go to in Houston.
Prince Customs on Instagram or at my website, princecustoms.com.
He's really quiet, but I mean, he's an amazing guy.
Yo, what do you think, Sean? That
Dope. Oh, that's super dope.
Yo, can you imagine that color though? Oh, actually, you don't have to. It's right here now. Oh. First step is done. The A pillar on the passenger side is now satin guard. So as you guys may have seen in a while in a previous vlog, we got this really cool 4-play wheel display Princeton made for us. We're actually doing some modifications to it right now. So let's go take a look.
Is there an inner or outer?
What's that?
Is there like an inside outside? No?
Yeah. I'll take the small one. Cheap Chinese steel test.
Oh, I wonder if those are the ones I saw advertised. I see it on.
They're like 40 bucks.
Yeah, it's like I think they sell for 60. Legit.
They're comfortable.
Yeah, they kind of look fashionable. Yeah. I mean, it's straight, right?
Yeah, it should be pretty straight.
Slide it this way.
Yo, what is that?
Prince Customs custom knives, skeleton knives. So the
Oh, that's cool.
base right here, I guess the part where you grip, is made of titanium.
Whoa.
And the blade itself is made of stainless steel. You see his Prince Customs logo on here. Whole knife is skeleton knife, super lightweight.
Let me see. Yo, this is really light. I bet it's really sharp. What can we try it on? Dustin, give me your hair. Oh wait, you don't have any. It's so light, like you don't think of it that light.
The more you look into it, the more details you see right here.
Right, I mean just the cutouts
Along
here.
everything, yep. This clip right here, titanium clip.
So Preston, how long does it take you to make a knife like this?
Making time is probably like 5 hours on it. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours finishing it.
So like this knife probably took you about 7 hours roughly?
Yeah, in total time.
I mean, these aren't just regular set screws, right? I mean,
Yeah, it's all
these are titanium too, and it's got a nice design. It's got a brush finish on both ends.
So like someone who buys this
nice.
knife obviously wouldn't like, they wouldn't EDC this, right?
A lot of guys do.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
would you say ABC?
EDC, everyday
What is
carry?
everyday carry?
Oh, everyday carry. That's like,
That's
they would know
crazy.
that.
Yeah, so these are fun because it has like multiple deployment options. You can do the rear flipper, the front flipper here. Or you can use the slot
see?
to...
Gotta be a veteran to know that. I didn't know about front and rear flip.
What makes this knife so much better than like brands that a lot of people know about, like Benchmade and like things?
Spyderco.
Yeah.
It's just mainly the design and just trying to do some innovation.
This is obviously like one-off type of thing.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Princeton got these awesome everyday shoes, but look what you do. I need those for everyday wear.
Like a jungle gym. Yeah, I know.
Yep.
Activity.
Incredible. Here we go. Let's start putting the wheels on.
Ooh, first wheel is on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo.
4-play.
That's cool, guys. It is done. The 4-play F250 Search and Destroy wheel display is complete. So you guys saw this before. We have the 4-play logo on the bottom, just floating, right? And then of course 3 4-play wheels, different angles. Now you can just like drive up next to it and be like, whoa, nice wheels, bro. I have some really exciting news. Let me show you. Well, you know, let me give you a hint. You guys know what this is? Yep, yeah. This is a fan render of the new Tesla truck that's coming out very soon. So obviously that's not the real truck, but there's no pictures of the actual truck yet. But the reason I'm bringing this up is because we just got invited to the Tesla Cybertruck unveiling. That's right. We just got invited, so we are gonna go. If we're going, you guys are going as well. We're going to the unveiling. It's gonna be crazy. The code name for the truck is Cybertruck. Cybertruck, like Blade Runner stuff, you know? We're imagining it's gonna be very futuristic. It's gonna look really, maybe apocalyptic even. Super badass is what we're thinking. Based off the name, based off of the marketing. I mean, look at this. You guys see the font they used for this? This is like freaking end of the world stuff, right? I'm bringing you guys with me, so guys, be ready for that vlog. That's gonna be a cool one. let's get a quick update on this car. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this. Hood is done. Oh, now hood is not done yet, but the hood is laid on. Awesome satin guard effect, that matte translucent satin sheen. The fenders are done. Mirrors are being worked on. A-pillars are done, as you saw before. Doors are done. The trunk is being worked on right now. Oh, that looks so good. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. Yo, we want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need, and we'll take care of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace!